Our goal for our left AIC pattern patient is we want to get our patient more alternating. These people already know how to get reciprocal. I want you guys to think about alternating as an ability to get into right stance and left stance. Reciprocal is about being able to get on the same side in order to get something to flex and extend. Well, we have that. We have an inlet that can flex. We have an outlet that can extend. Or you can look at it in the frontal plane. We have an outlet, an inlet that can abduct. We have an outlet that can adduct. So we have reciprocal. What we don't have is alternating. They've got to learn how to get from their right leg to their left leg. So now I'm going to help you out so you guys understand our treatment tomorrow. We're going to go through each quadrant. What are we going to turn on, Lori, to help get our patients to help to inhibit a left anterior inlet and a right posterior inlet, or a right anterior outlet and a left posterior outlet, so I can get in a better position. This is what we spent. This is your inlet. This is your outlet. This is what you guys have filled in on your circles. This is your sacral base. Remember, your left iliacus is off. Your right rectus femoris and sartorius is off. If you flip this over, remember this is anterior, this is posterior, this is your outlet. Your left anterior outlet is off. So your pupil rectalis, your pupil coccygeus, your obturator internus, and your iliococcygeus are off. That's part of your left anterior outlet. And your right posterior outlet is off. Your glute max, your piriformis, and your coccygeus. So we want to take all of our ons and make them go off, and we want our offs to go on. We want to get here. And once our patients learn how to get into left stance, they've got to be able to get into right stance and not fall apart and not stay stuck. Our patients have got to get reciprocal alternating activity once we teach them how to get into left stance, and we teach their right leg how to swing through the air and not be a leg whipper. And we can get them into a left stance phase of gait, a right swing phase of gait. Your treatment's not over unless your patient can get back into right stance and not what? Fall apart. They've got to be able to go back and forth.